You might be saving up for a bigger bike, but one of these small habits could total your automatic motorcycle first. They're common, easy to overlook, and ruin machines quietly until it's too late. Don't wait for a repair bill to learn the hard way. These habits seem small, but they'll either save your bike or silently ruin it. Mistake number 1. Skipping regular oil changes. Let's start with the silent killer of motorcycle engines, old dirty oil. You'd think in 2025, modern machines could somehow outsmart sludge. But nope. Miss enough oil changes and you're signing your engine's death certificate. Oil isn't just lubrication, it's protection. And when it degrades, it thickens into sludge that clogs vital pathways inside your engine. Friction builds, heat rises, and parts wear out fast, especially on automatics that often rely on smoother, uninterrupted performance. What to do? Stick religiously to your service manual's oil change interval, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, depending on usage. Your engine will thank you every time you twist that throttle. Number 2. Using the wrong oil grade. This next one slips under the radar more than you'd think. Riders grab a bottle of whatever oil's on sale and pour it in. Huge mistake. Automatic motorcycles require specific oil viscosity and additives to protect not just the engine, but the clutch and transmission too. Use car oil? You risk clutch slippage, internal wear, or long-term fluid breakdown, especially under heat. Always double-check your owner's manual and only use motorcycle-specific oil. In 2025, there's no excuse. Most shops carry the right stuff, and it's cheaper than replacing a damaged clutch. If any of these mistakes hit home for you, you're not alone. This might be the smartest thing you ever download. I've built the ultimate used bike survival blueprint. The same inspection, maintenance, and upgrade system pros use to avoid the costly mistakes that destroy bikes. Whether it's your first bike or your fifth one, this isn't just a guide, it's a lifetime safety net for every bike you own. One bad repair bill can cost more than this entire blueprint. Links in the description and pinned comment. Grab it before the discount's over. It's just for the first 10 buyers. Number 3. Neglecting tire pressure. This is the one mistake that can flip your ride, literally. Tire pressure isn't just a comfort factor, it's about safety, control, and performance. Underinflated tires? Your grip drops, steering gets loose, and blowouts become real threats, especially on city streets where automatics dominate. And while most modern motorcycles now come with TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems, they're not always accurate. Manual checks are still essential. Get in the habit of checking your pressure weekly or before every long ride. A $15 gauge could save your life. Number 4. Ignoring chain maintenance. Here's the gritty one. You can hear this mistake before you feel it. A dry, noisy, clunky chain. Even on automatics, especially CVT types, if your chain is too loose, too tight, or bone dry, you're risking more than a breakdown. It can snap mid-ride, destroy your sprockets, or worse, cause you to crash. Every 500 to 700 kilometers, give your chain a little love. Clean it, lube it, and check tension. A neglected chain can turn a smooth ride into a mechanical mess, fast. Number 5. Riding with worn brake pads. Ever pull the brake and feel a metal grind? That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Brake pads are cheap. Rotors, calipers, and hospital visits? Not so much. Pads still wear out the same way in 2025 as they always have. The rule? If they're under 3 millimeters, about 1/8 inch, replace them. Waiting too long means the metal backing plate will eat into your rotors, causing costly damage, and making stopping distance unpredictable. If you're hearing squeaks or scraping, don't ignore it. That sound might be your last warning. Number 6. Mixing coolant types or using tap water. This next one has wrecked more engines than you'd believe because it feels harmless. You top off your coolant with whatever's lying around, green, pink, blue. It's all the same, right? Nope, not even close. Mixing coolant types can trigger chemical reactions that form a thick sludge inside your cooling system. Worse, using tap water instead of distilled can lead to mineral buildup, corrosion, and internal leaks. In 2025, motorcycles still require coolant compatibility. The solution is simple. Use pre-mixed coolant from a trusted brand or mix your own with distilled water, never from the tap. Number 7. Overloading your motorcycle. Ever ride with a backpack, side bags, maybe a passenger, and think, hey, it's fine? It might not be. Every motorcycle has a GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating. And yes, even in 2025, exceeding that limit is still a major reason suspensions fail and tires blow out mid-ride. It's not just about how much your bike can move, it's about how safely it can stop. Overloading affects balance, braking distance, and tire grip. Check your owner's manual. Know your weight limit. You're not just risking your ride, you're risking control. Number 8. Revving the engine, hard, when cold. This next one might sound harmless, but it's brutal on your engine. You fire up your bike and immediately twist the throttle hard, trying to warm it up faster. Problem is, your oil hasn't circulated yet. That means unprotected friction, especially in automatics that depend on seamless shifting and smooth internals. In 2025, this habit still causes early engine wear, and it's totally avoidable. Let your bike idle for 1 to 2 minutes, let the oil move, then ride off gently. Number 9. Letting the clutch slip constantly. If your bike smells hot but you're not going fast, check your hand. You might be riding the clutch too much. Feathering. The clutch feels like finesse, but doing it constantly is a fast track to burned plates and warped discs. In automatic-style motorcycles with semi-auto or CVT setups, some riders still try to control power by hovering the clutch. In 2025, clutch jobs are still expensive, and unnecessary wear is 100% preventable. Use the friction zone only when absolutely needed, then fully release the lever. Number 10. Using cheap aftermarket parts. This next one, it's the hidden danger you don't see coming until it fails. Cheap brake pads, knockoff levers, bargain air filters, they might save money short-term, but they often cost performance, reliability, and safety. In 2025, the market is flooded with low-grade parts disguised as universal or OEM compatible. Don't gamble. Stick with OEM or trusted brands, especially for parts like brakes, suspension, and filters. It's your life riding on those components, literally. Before we dive into the next mistakes, if you missed the blueprint earlier, now's the time to grab it. It's still 10% off for the first 10 buyers, and honestly, it could save you more than the cost of just one repair bill. Don't wait until a mistake costs you big. And hey, if you've made it this far, you clearly care about your bike, so do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We drop weekly riding tips, deep dives, and critical gear hacks. You won't want to miss them. Number 11. Parking with kickstand, facing downhill. Seems like a small thing, right? But gravity hasn't changed and parking mistakes still topple bikes, even the newest automatics. When you leave your bike facing downhill, the kickstand can fold or the bike can roll forward and crash. Even with updated side stand designs, they're still mechanical levers, not magic. Instead, always park uphill if possible, and leave your bike in first gear or park mode if your model has it. It's a 5-second habit that prevents cracked fairings, bent levers, and serious regrets. Number 12. Leaving the bike outside uncovered. Let's wrap with a slow killer, exposure to the elements. Rain, dust, UV rays. They eat through paint, rubber, electronics, and seats over time. You may think modern bikes can handle it, but even the best ones degrade faster when left exposed. A simple waterproof cover makes a massive difference. You don't need an expensive garage or canopy. Just cover your bike. In 2025, motorcycle electronics are more sensitive than ever. Don't let sunlight or rain fry your dash or corrode your wiring harness. Number 13. Riding with low transmission fluid in CVT models. This one's a transmission killer, and most riders don't even check it. Automatic motorcycles with CVT, continuously variable transmission systems, rely heavily on special transmission fluid to manage heat, friction, and smooth shifting. But here's the twist. Unlike engine oil, most CVT fluid levels aren't checked regularly, and that's a problem. Low fluid levels or dirty Fluid leads to slipping belts, overheating, and premature wear of key components. Check your CVT fluid every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, or as recommended, and use only the exact type specified by your manufacturer. Never guess.